Made it out to San Luis Pass. Again, got my boy Ismael with me. We're going to see if we can get on some of these fish. Try to harass them. We're the only ones out here right now. It's Thursday, I believe July 2nd, 2026. Sun's barely coming up. It's about a little after 6 p.m. I don't see anybody else out here right now. Hopefully we can get on something. Dun, dun, dun. I guess we'll just go straight out and kind of work our way down. Shit. Water's nice and calm. There is no airflow at all. Those Texas mosquitoes. They try to drain the life out of you. Man, you ever seen that movie with Will Ferrell, or what is it, Land Before Time?
Oh, like...
That mosquito lands on his back, big on mosquito.
It's all pale and just like, he fucking just falls over and just kills it.
Oh man, that scene had me dying, dude.
Stupid that movie.
Golly.
I was actually rewatching it like I think a while back, like a couple months ago.
I got these regular
it's on HBO. Damn.
Dang, boy, they even big fish all through here.
Bound to be something. Look.
Dang. No shortage of mullet around here. Like shrimp jumping out, boy. You got shrimp coming out of the water. Damn, look at that. It's crazy. What you got? Baby trout?
So a small one.
A itty bitty.
Calm down, bro. Calm down, little one.
Oh, God. Oh man, dude, come on, man, come back for it. Dang. Come on, man. What is that? Oh, here we go. Alright, golly, I don't know what the heck that is, man. They don't seem too big. Little bitty trout. Little bitty trout. Alright. Little bitty trout. Oh man, I hate these pliers. They just pop right out. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. Baby trout. Yeah, he ain't a keeper. He might be 13 maybe. Let's see. We'll measure him up real quick. Oh man, he's almost there. He's about 14. All right, guy, get on out of here. I need to get me some better pliers. And that current's moving pretty good, man. It's just like,
I think something wrong.
huh?
There's something moving.
I know it. I just seen it. That's why I went over there. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Red.
Yeah. Oh, what you got, man?
It's right here.
Click it.
Huh?
Click the camera.
Got one. I don't know what it is though. Damn. Gotta go up right. Little speck.
Yee. All right. Oh, that was a decent one, dude. That might be a keeper.
Oh yeah. Damn, that's a keeper. Oh, I came off the hook, I think. Yeah. A little 2-pounder, almost 1.5. How big is it?
Oh yeah, you about 17. Yeah.
Bit.
Dude. That's a nice one, son. Oh, man. Now all you gotta do is clip that sucker onto that. Dang. Heck yeah, dude.
You said what?
Oh man, it must be. Oh, dude, Duke got something. Oh God. Yeah. Hey man, it don't look like you hit it at all. Dang, I catch it right up there, dude. He hit that fucking shrimp. All right now. Oh man, I lost it. Dang. Calm down there, killer. Calm down there. Another little dinker. Nothing crazy. Get on out of here, man. Get on, get. Yeah, this little bitty shrimp I got, man. Be doing all right. Cast it out there. Thought I had a bunch of grass on there. He didn't even hit it. He kind of just like swallowed it. Boop. Oh, got another one. Jeez. Golly, dude. They're small, but dang. Come down there, killer. Dang. Alright, come on. Oh, whoa. Alright then. Let's see. And another little one, man. Woo! Ooh, man. You got that sucker right there, huh? Scared me. Good dinker trout. What is that, number 3 for?
Number 3.
Yeesh. Oh boy gonna hit you in your nuts. Boy gonna take you down. throwing up. Little baby one, 6 inches, maybe.
Probably 8.
Oh no, that thing's gone, bro.
Came off?
Yeah, bird's nest had popped off. Dang. Baby one.
Little dinker. Got pretty good. So that big. Chill the fuck up. No. Chill the fuck up. Huh? Yeah. Bye bye. Got it.
Ooh, another one.
Oh, put my fight. Yeah. Might be a little too small. Maybe. I make it.
See what he is. Oh yeah, he's too small, man. Yeah, he's too small. Dang, he look like he was alright, man. Let's get it, boys. Should have brought my taco out here.
Yeah, I was gonna bring my fucking burrito and I forgot.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I can't do no.
Oh. Lock in, man.
Hey. What? On the same one?
No. I switched out. Damn, bitch. God damn, bro. Let me get you, motherfucker. Shit, man. Little dinker. Little dinker.
About a pound?
Huh?
Pounder? Half a pound? Got another one?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, man. It is another speck. Oh, that came off. No. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, damn.
Are you kidding me? Oh, man, don't get on that line. Oh, dude, it's a keeper.
Fight.
Dang. Jelly. Come on, man. Come on, man. You gonna do it? Oh, come on. Right there. Shit, it's a keeper, dude. It's gotta be right.
Yeah.
I gotta get a picture of you two, dude. Hold on, let's just measure real quick. Oh, that's a freaking.
You can take it though. Alright.
Let's just measure real quick. Oh, dude, it's like 16, bro.
Yes, sir.
Alright, shit.
Oh, right there, right there.
What?
Right there, right there.
Oh, God, dude.
Go up. That's all you do.
No.
Oh, it's gonna be like right here somewhere. Like right in front of us.
Oh, do a bird nested.
Oh, you better bring that shit in.
Come on, dude. Oh, shit. Ooh, oh, man. Dude, that gonna be your limit? What are you fishing with, man? I need to freaking give me one. Think so?
Maybe.
It's gonna be close. Oh, man. Dude, that might be. Hold on, let me put this thing up real quick. What's up?
I think I dropped my fucking BOGO.
Your what?
I think I dropped my shit. The clamp thing. Oh no, right here, bro. I was like, I thought I dropped it. I was like, where is that? I'm like, looking at it. And it came off anyways.
Oh man, dude. That's a big old jellyfish. God dang. Dude, that thing is massive. Oh shit. Good job. Let's go back to this. Oh, shrimp lure. See if we can get some. Oh God. Oh no. It came off, dude. Oh man. Come on, shrimp. You gonna chill out for a little bit or what? Up.
There we go.
Go fucking eat one of these tacos. Take a little break. Come back out, shit. Whoosh. Texas Texas best wading vest. Lock the truck and we get them suckers in there. Alright, we're back out here for round 2. Went to the truck to unload the stringer and eat some tacos, drink some water, recharge. Let's see if we can go harass some more fish. I'm gonna keep throwing that shrimp, the scrimp. Oh wow, dude, go get on that, is my ass. That's a tailing red right there. Wow, dude. Where's that at, dude? What the fuck is that? That's a gar? I think it is a gar, dude. That thing is massive. Damn, boy. Were you fishing with us when Gordo was here and he hooked that freaking turtle?
Yeah. I didn't catch it that day.
Oh man, he's a nice one, Gordo. Whatever he is.
It's on you? Yeah. We both got it. Oh, we both got
It's
it.
a turtle?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle?
Oh. How the hell did y'all get a turtle? Oh God, there we go. Yeah. Oh man, it feels decent, dude. Oh, it's a flounder. Yes. It looks like a keeper too. Don't shake it. I think I got the wrong. No. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, bro. Oh, got him. Oh, he is. Oh, he barely made it, dude. It's like 15 and a half. All right. Finally put one on the stringer. Jeez. That's a beautiful fish, man. Boom, 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 na 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 na, dun, dun, dun. Damn, that's a big ass turtle, dude. Oh, there we go. Damn. Yep. I don't know what it is though. Golly. Too slow, dude. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, come on, dude. Fucking, let me look at this damn thing. Oh, see, dude, right there. I wonder if that's a keeper or not. Oh no, dude. Did you feel it?
Oh no, I forgot it.
He's on it?
No, I can't.
You sure? Oh my god, dude. Oh god, dude, again. Oh, a little dinker. Yeah, dinker trout. Oh, dude, this is a decent. Oh no, dude. Dude, that was a decent one, dude. Like I could. Oh God. shrimp. I need you to get it together, my man.
Shit, man.
Huh?
I can't get shit.
You want a shrimp?
Huh?
You want a shrimp?
Sure.
It's not the exact kind I had, but I got another shrimp in there. I'm really gonna have to set that hook this time, dude. I ain't messing around.
Huh?
So I'm gonna have to really set that hook next time. I'm just gonna like. Already?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
I didn't even like.
You didn't even
do
pop it.
anything.
Are you shitting me, bro? Oh my god, dude.
fucking God.
Dude, that's a monster. Bro, let me fucking record this. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe that. Dude, that's a monster.
Yeah, that'd be easy. Like 2.5.
Dude, that's like an 18-incher.
Hey, I got my last one.
That's it, dude. Oh my
I
god.
got my full.
Put him up against there. Right on the bottom. Dude, he's like 20. Almost 20. He's like 18 maybe. Dude.
That red is a 20?
Yeah, the red's a 20.
Oh yeah. Dude, that was crazy. I didn't even jig it or anything.
I had to get it with the pliers, dude. Huh?
Figure you got the flat down there too.
That's it. I had it. I had it with these fish. It's time to wreck them. I'll freaking wreck them now. Where you at, Jason? You done missed out, bro. Little bro.
Little bro.
Missed out, little bro.
Look what's flying there.
That's my dream fish to catch, bro. Tarpon. Dude, that's the fish I want to catch more than anything else. There's a freaking tarpon, man. Oh god dang, dude. Come on, dude, please. Golly, dude. I think that's a decent trout right there. Oh god. Oh. Come on, me. Dude, that's a heavy one. Dude. Oh, yes, dude. Oh my god.
Damn.
How much does he weigh? 2 pounds?
Yeah, like 2.5.
God, let me get a
Almost
picture.
3, actually 3.
Dang.
Yeah, 3, he's at 3.
Yeah, hold on to it real quick. Let me see how big it is. Oh man, he's almost at 20, bro.
Yeah, damn. Keeper, there you go.
Yeah, barely a keeper.
There you go.
A little under freaking, little over 20, boy, he would have been. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Right? Man, he hit that sucker hard. Alright, man. Dang. That DOA coming through. Golly. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a little dinker trout. Oh, he got off. What's up? Oh, another one. Get over here. I'm down there, Kelly. Put him out. Oh my God, dude, it's so hard. Oh man, he might be.
Keeper?
He's just shy, dude. He's just shy. Oh man, he's just shy of putting him on the stringer. Come on, guy. Where's that? Mud?
There's a lot of movement over there.
Oh God dang it, dude, wow. Yeah. Bad hit, that sucker hard.
Okay.
Yep. Oh man, that's a decent one too, I hope.
How's the keeper going?
I think so. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's a keeper right there.
Big gulp.
Oh, it came off right too. You see that?
You would have missed that.
Oh man, it would have been another one gone.
Becky right there.
Oh yeah, he's a keeper, boy. He's like maybe 17, 18. Man, we just need a red now, man. Come on.
Yeah. That would be fucking awesome.
Oh God. Jeez. Golly. Oh. Oh God. Dang, he just shy. Me a nice little speck. Oh man, my hand is like cramping up.
I know, that hand is fucking
Oh man, gotta love it, gotta love it. Oh man, oh, sleep good tonight. Shit, I know you are. You ain't even gone to sleep yet. Man. I don't even know how you functioning right now. Was in robot mode.
Pilot mode, man.
Was in pilot mode.
Autopilot, bro.
Autopilot. His mind's on autopilot right now. Oh my god, dude. That's a keeper. How is he not fighting, dude?
Huh?
How is he not fighting? I thought he was a small one. Dude, that's a keeper, dude. Wow. Don't spit it, dude, please. Oh, it's in there. Dude, that is a monster. Oh my god. Where's he at?
Got it.
Dang. It's in there, huh?
No, it's not.
Here, put him up here to see how big he
Yeah.
is.
Dude, he's fucking huge. Got a belly on him.
Dude.
I really.
Yeah, how is he?
Like 3?
Ooh.
Almost 3.
That's a limit.
Yeah, get it.
Let's see
Oh,
it.
you gotta get that shit out, bro.
Let's see
It's
how
in
tall-
there.
Yeah, I'll get it out here. Let's see it real quick. Yeah. That's what I see it. Dude, he's just,
Ah, he's big.
he's right at 20. Dang. He's right at 20. It's in there, bro. I ain't getting that out. I'm about to cut it, man. I'm just gonna leave that in there. Oh, you got it?
Finally.
Dude, that's a decent one, too. Yeah, I'm about to cut this.
Last one for the day.
Dang, what the heck was that? Here, man, let me get this off there. Get you rigged up real quick. Golly. Oh, God.
He's always about to get out there.
Boy, he is, isn't he? Oh, my God, dude. Come on.
Oh, he's barely. Oh my god, he's barely in there.
Dude, come on. Oh, my God, dude. This guy does not want to get...
Got it?
Dang, how big is that one, man? Oh, he's right at 15, boy. He's like 15 and a half. Well, that would have been an extra one. You gotta go back.
Just gonna fucking rip.
Bye, dude. He's gone. Look at him. Taking his sweet time. Yeah, I'm gonna start heading back here soon. Reel this sucker in. Oh, God. I don't know. Oh, he got off, dude.
You got off?
Yep. Damn. Should have had that drag set more tight, dude. Oh, he going to? Oh man. That's crazy. Look at that little speck. You got it, man? On the DOA.